Hey, hello friends. Hope you are well by the grace of Almighty God. So today I am going to inform you how to get your social security number in Germany. So see, actually I am in front of the TK office, and I came here for getting my or active my health insurance. And after active your health insurance, you may get the social security number after 1 week or after 2 weeks. It's very what it's called, I mean actually city to city. But how you active your TK account, just today I am showing you. And this is the Ingolstadt office, I mean actually Ingolstadt Bayern office. If I am showing you, you are seeing that this is the office, and how you will do your process today I am going to show you, or today I'm going to tell you. First of all, I mean actually you have to complete your city registration. After completing your city registration, then you have to create a bank account. After completing your bank account, then you may come actually TK office, or you can also email them. But I am suggesting you that if you have enough time, you can come to their office, then it will be really work to do properly. I mean actually you can discuss with them, and even if you are enrolled from a couple of semesters ago, they would charge you, because this is the law of German. But when you will come here physically, you may, or you can request them that actually I arrived in Germany this month, so charge me from this month, and they will tell you that we will consider. I mean actually this is the system, if I am telling you. And now I am coming the point actually how you will active your TK account. When you will come actually TK office, you must have to carry your passport. I mean actually your valid passport, which you carry in Germany. Then passport is okay. They will not ask for any other documents. You can also carry your booking ticket. I mean actually your ticket by which you fly. You must have to, what it's called, take it. You must have to save it properly, because if you will not do it, then you would face this problem. I mean actually it's may necessary in a few places. So for safety I think you should take it properly. Then actually this is simple interview. They will ask you that when you came Germany, and which universities are you studying, such type of question. I hope you will give the answer. And even if they will not say you that from which month actually they will charge, you may ask them actually politely, sir or ma'am, can I ask you one question? They will say that yeah, sure. You will ask that actually from which month actually you will charge me, or it will charge. Then they say you that actually the law or the rules of the German is from which month you are enrolled, we will charge from that. Then you can request to them that actually it is not possible for me, because I am here new, and you have understand I have no job, or I'm a student. This is why, please consider it. Then they will say you that we will consider it, or I hope if you will request them, they will consider it. That's okay about everything. And this is very easy process. After completing your what it's called, activation of TK health insurance, after 1 week, actually the number, I mean social security number, which is very important for doing job or anywhere else, will be available in their office. So for social security number after 1 week, or you can also ask them when my social security number will be available here. They will say that actually after 1 week. It's totally vary city to city. will be available here. You can take from us, or you can call us, you can mail us, and it will also send to your post office. Actually, I am telling you that the social security number is very urgent and very important, so it's take 2 or 3 weeks, even sometimes it's take 4 weeks for getting the social security number. So if it is urgent for you, you can, after activation of your social security number, you can actually visit after 1 week, or by talking with them, then you can visit their office and you can collect your social security number. Even you can also mail them, then they will send you to your mail. And social security number is same for your whole life. I mean, actually this is one type of pension number, if I am telling you. Yeah, this is all about, and this is very easy process. If you have any question, then you can ask by comment. Thank you so much, and when I will see the comment, I will try to reply. Have a nice day with all of you.